It's 6:23. Welcome back. Children may be feeling anxiety, depression, and more isolated than ever before because of COVID-19. It's something that only parents are worried about, but also school staff, who students no longer get to see. New this morning, Aaron Field shares what a local counselor and teacher are seeing when it comes to how this pandemic has impacted their students.
Hi, everyone.
We don't always realize, but when we're stressed as adults, kids are take on some of that stress also.
While it's been a huge adjustment for adults and parents, imagine being a kid.
Kids aren't always going to be able to just verbally tell you that something's going on.
We are doing such a good job of making sure we're giving kids opportunities to learn, but I think we need to do a better job of understanding that every kid is not in a position to embrace those opportunities. If you don't know their story, you cannot judge their ability to produce anything right now.
For Narum and Hafner, they've seen firsthand the effect this pandemic has had on their students, and they're both trying to find ways to keep them mentally stable.
We have been working together to create social emotional learning boards where kids can do some social emotional learning. We've had really focused on trying to provide topics that are key for this time right now.
A big part of it is simply just letting them know it's okay not to feel okay right now.
The kids who have parents who are frontline workers in healthcare, this is so not a priority, and giving them permission to say that is huge because you're acknowledging that they have bigger things to worry about right now.
Both Bismarck and Mandan schools are not so much looking at how well students are doing on assignments, but focusing more on participation.
There's a lot of emphasis on the attendance piece only because we don't want to lose track of our kids. And the only way for us to know that families are struggling a lot of times is the kids are the ones who tell us.
Right now, Bismarck is really focusing on, to start off with at least, families who we've had almost zero contact with, meaning they're not answering phone calls, emails, text messages.
Whether it's your teacher or your counselor, or you live in Bismarck or Mandan, the number one focus is keeping students happy and healthy.
That positive self-talk and try to, focus on things that you're grateful for.
We just need to keep these kids talking. We need to know if they're not okay. The biggest fear every teacher has is losing a kid through this.
As we said before, we're all in this together. Reporting for KX News, Aaron Fields.
And they say most families have done a good job at keeping in contact and seeing if there's any problems. And Hafner says she keeps in very close contact with her kids' families to make sure they're okay too. But Aaron, this isn't a problem here just in North Dakota. This is widespread across the country. And it's got to be so hard because each kid has a different situation individually.
Yes, exactly. I've actually been talking to my mom a lot, and she's a teacher in South Carolina, and she's had this problem. She's had to stay up till like 11 o'clock at night waiting on kids to have their assignments, or if they don't have an assignment come in, she's like, I don't know what to do, Aaron.
I like how the emphasis.
Like you said,
yeah, and
Nikki said they don't know your story.
Sure,
so,
right.
Basically. Sorry, there's a lag, and
sure.
My bad. But yes, Josh and Amber, I don't even know if I could be a kid right now doing school. I did one online class, and it's horrible.
And fortunately, a lot of our school districts are able to provide these kids with technology. But one thing that also comes to mind is just the different. We really see a diversity in financial situations, for lack of a better term, between these kids in different homes, and that's got to be difficult too, because some kids, they might have all the resources they need, while others are in different situations, and it's just so hard. And I like how the emphasis is keeping the communication lines going between these teachers and counselors and all of those kids.
No, I totally agree with you, Josh. I'm sorry, I can barely hear y'all.
That's okay. Everyone at home,
Technology.
you can see that Aaron is working from home, and we have a little bit of lag in our TVU units here. Well, thank you very much, Aaron. That was a very good report. Thank you for sharing that.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm glad we did that story because, like you said there, the kids didn't ask for this.
Right.
So I'm glad that Aaron did that story. He did a great job with that piece. And